Forget the doomsday headlines about AI replacing every lawyer. While AI is transforming the legal profession, it's also creating entirely new roles and demanding fresh skills. Let's cut through the noise and see the real impact of AI on legal careers. AI's role in law. AI is handling tasks that used to take hours, researching case law, reviewing contracts, and spotting risks in legal documents. It's faster and more accurate than humans at these repetitive tasks. But AI can't replace human judgment. Negotiation, strategy, and understanding client needs are skills only humans bring. New roles for lawyers. Rather than taking jobs, AI is reshaping them. Lawyers are now becoming legal technologists, combining law and AI expertise. AI compliance officers, ensuring ethical use of technology. Strategic advisors, focusing on problem-solving and client relationships. The lawyers who thrive will be the ones who work with AI, not against it. Key skills for the future. Tech fluency, know how AI tools work. Critical thinking, analyze AI outputs and make strategic decisions. Ethical awareness, understand bias, privacy, and accountability. Communication and empathy, build trust with clients, something AI can't do. So, will AI replace lawyers? No. But lawyers who embrace AI will replace those who don't. AI is a tool, not a threat. The future of law is smarter, faster, and more innovative, but human judgment remains essential. Learn AI, use it, and let it supercharge your work. The lawyers of tomorrow aren't just legal experts, they're tech-savvy strategists shaping the future of law.